Hey everyone, TechBarn back with another video, and today we have a review on the MOKiN 5-in-1 USB Type-C hub that I recently purchased on Amazon for a pretty cheap price of $30. If we walk into a store such as Best Buy or London Drugs, usually you're able to find one for $70 to $100, which is a bit pricey in my opinion. And so that's why I purchased this USB hub from Amazon for two reasons. One, to see if Amazon's recommended choice is good or not, and to see if for $30 you can get the same thing as if it was $70. Now, upon receiving the USB hub, the box was pretty small. Nothing really special about it. All it had on the outside was the brand name and a little silhouette of the hub itself. It was a pretty casual unboxing, nothing really special at all. And when you open the little box, you see the adapter in a matte plastic bag. And we also have, of course, the instruction manual. Moving on to the adapter itself. It is made out of aluminum, so it should be able to take a few scratches and drops. Now, it being a 5-in-1, it obviously has 5 different ports. The ports that you have is a 4K HDMI port, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 SD card reader slot, and a micro SD card slot. Now, for $30, that is a lot of slots, and if you have one of the newer MacBooks, then this is a lifesaver, as it grants you a few more ports. The HDMI port has a 30Hz output when it comes to 4K, and for 2K it has 60Hz. As you can see, it works well when it comes to screen mirroring or extending my display. The two USB ports are 3.0, but they are also backwards compatible with 2.0 and 1.0. When it comes to the SD card slots, it works with a few different types of cards: SD, SDHC, SDXC, microSD, and MMC. Now, if you have a space gray laptop, this adapter looks very good as it fits right in. Now, one thing that I would have a little complaint about, which in some sense worries me, is the fact that the wire where you have the USB Type-C cord seems like there's a bit of bending, which worries me as I start to question how well it is built. If you take a look, you know what I mean. We have all had this happen with our Apple cords or any type of cords, so when it came to using this, I was a bit skeptical because I didn't want the wire to break at all. When it comes to my experiences, they've only been positive so far. As the adapter is quite small, it is able to fit in my pocket or my cable organizer. It works perfectly, and whenever I need to do, it will do. Overall, I would say that this Amazon recommended product is very good for the price. It perfectly does the job, and now you can add ports to your device if you didn't have any to start with. Aside from the wire, everything else gets a check mark in our book, from looking sleek, minimalist, and being very efficient when it comes to using its ports properly. Thanks for watching. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe. It helps us out a bunch. As always, this has been TechBarn during quarantine, and we'll see you in our next video.